Welcome to Science in 10 Minutes. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the human brain, the most complex object in the known universe. Imagine a 3-pound organ capable of composing symphonies, solving complex mathematical equations, and experiencing the world in all its vibrant detail. That's your brain. A marvel of biological engineering that continues to intrigue scientists and philosophers alike. In just a few minutes, we'll uncover the secrets of this incredible organ, exploring its structure, its functions, and how it shapes our every thought, feeling, and action. From the intricate network of neurons to the distinct roles of its different regions, we'll journey through the brain's landscape, unraveling the mysteries of consciousness, memory, and emotion. Fasten your seatbelts. It's going to be a mind-blowing ride.
Imagine your body as a vast and intricate machine. Now, picture the brain as the central command center, a bustling hub of activity that receives, processes, and sends out billions of signals every second. This walnut-shaped organ, nestled within the protective shell of your skull, is the control center for everything you do, from breathing and blinking to dreaming and dancing. It's responsible for your senses: sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing, allowing you to experience the world around you. But the brain's capabilities extend far beyond basic bodily functions. It's the seat of your thoughts, emotions, and memories, the source of your creativity, imagination, and intellect.
The largest part of the brain is the cerebrum, the wrinkled grayish-pink mass that sits atop the brainstem. Think of the cerebrum as the CEO of your brain, responsible for higher-level thinking, planning, and decision-making. It's divided into two hemispheres, the left and right, each controlling the opposite side of the body. The left hemisphere is often associated with logic, language, and analytical thinking, while the right hemisphere is linked to creativity, intuition, and spatial awareness. But both hemispheres work together, constantly communicating and collaborating to create a seamless experience of the world. The cerebrum is further divided into 4 lobes, each with its own specialized functions, which we'll delve into later.
Tucked beneath the cerebrum, at the back of the head, lies the cerebellum, a smaller structure that resembles a miniature version of the cerebrum. Don't let its size fool you. The cerebellum plays a crucial role in our ability to move gracefully and coordinate our actions. Imagine a tightrope walker, effortlessly balancing on a thin wire high above the ground. That's the cerebellum at work, receiving information from our senses and muscles, making constant adjustments to maintain our balance and posture. It also plays a vital role in motor learning, allowing us to refine our movements and develop skills like riding a bike or playing the piano.
Section 5. The brainstem, life support central. Connecting the brain to the spinal cord is the brainstem, a stalk-like structure that controls many of our body's automatic functions, those essential for life itself. Think of the brainstem as the unsung hero of the nervous system, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep us alive and functioning. It regulates our breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure, ensuring that our bodies receive a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients. The brainstem also plays a role in sleep-wake cycles, alertness, and our responses to danger. Without the brainstem, we wouldn't be able to survive, let alone think, feel, or interact with the world around us.
Section 6. The 4 lobes of the brain. Remember the cerebrum, the thinking brain? Well, it's divided into 4 lobes, each with its own set of responsibilities. At the front of the brain lies the frontal lobe, the seat of our personality, decision-making, and planning abilities. It's also involved in language, voluntary movement, and impulse control. Behind the frontal lobe sit the parietal lobes, responsible for processing sensory information from the body, such as touch, temperature, and pain. They also play a role in spatial awareness, navigation, and reading. At the back of the head lie the occipital lobes, dedicated to processing visual information from the eyes. Finally, nestled beneath the parietal and occipital lobes are the temporal lobes, involved in hearing, language comprehension, and memory formation.
Section 7. The nervous system, our body's electrical grid. The brain is the control center, but it can't function in isolation. It relies on a vast and intricate network of nerves, the nervous system, to communicate with the rest of the body. Imagine the nervous system as our body's electrical grid, transmitting messages back and forth between the brain and every single cell. These messages travel in the form of electrical impulses, zipping along neurons, the specialized cells of the nervous system. Neurons are connected by synapses, tiny gaps across which chemical messengers called neurotransmitters carry the signals. This complex interplay of electrical and chemical signals allows us to perceive the world, think, feel, and act with remarkable speed and precision.
Section 8. How we think. The spark of consciousness. The human brain is a thinking machine, but how exactly does it generate thoughts? While the process remains one of the greatest mysteries of science, we know that it involves the intricate interplay of billions of neurons firing in complex patterns and circuits.
Imagine a vast orchestra, with each neuron playing a specific note, and the symphony of their combined activity giving rise to the music of our thoughts. Our thoughts are not random. They're shaped by our experiences, memories, emotions, and the information we receive from the world around us.
The brain is constantly learning, adapting, and rewiring itself based on our interactions with the environment.
Section 9. The power of memory, from short-term to long-term. Memory is the brain's ability to store and retrieve information, and it plays a vital role in shaping who we are. From remembering our first bike ride to recalling complex scientific concepts, memory allows us to learn from our experiences and build a sense of self. The brain has different types of memory. Short-term memory, like a mental notepad, holds information for a short period, such as a phone number we need to dial. Long-term memory, on the other hand, stores information for extended periods, even a lifetime, allowing us to recall childhood events or the lyrics to our favorite songs. The process of converting short-term memories into long-term memories is complex and involves strengthening the connections between neurons.
Section 10. Emotions, the colors of our inner world. Emotions, from joy and love to fear and sadness, are an integral part of the human experience. They color our perceptions, influence our decisions, and shape our interactions with others. While we often think of emotions as separate from our thoughts, they're deeply intertwined with the brain's cognitive processes. The amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure deep within the brain, plays a crucial role in processing emotions, particularly fear and aggression. The hippocampus, involved in memory formation, helps us link emotions to specific events and experiences. Emotions are not just feelings. They're complex physiological responses that involve changes in heart rate, breathing, and hormone levels.
Section 11. Conclusion. The universe within. The human brain, with its billions of neurons, trillions of synapses, and intricate networks, is a testament to the awe-inspiring complexity of the natural world. It's a universe within itself, a frontier of scientific exploration that continues to yield new discoveries and insights. From the basic mechanisms of thought and memory to the mysteries of consciousness and the nature of self, the brain remains one of the most fascinating and challenging subjects of scientific inquiry. As we continue to unravel its secrets, we gain a deeper understanding not only of ourselves, but also of the universe we inhabit. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the incredible world of the human brain. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Science in 10 Minutes.